Okay, lab number 9, archiving and compression. By performing this lab, you will learn how to work with archive files. In this task, we will use some zip, tars, unzip, and then other files. Okay, let's start with this example using the following tar commands to create an article of the directors. Okay, let's try to write these comments. Mm, mm, uh, Flash, def, tar, etc, etf, and you can see the results, and the last column is ls mm, my backup. Yeah, you can see this kind of results. Next one is display the content of a tar file by using the available option like T list contents, V variables, F file names. And you can see these results. Next one, to create a tar file that is compressed, use -z options. Okay, let's try to use this with these options. You can see some of this kind of results. Last comments is my backups. And you can see our results. Next is extract the contents of an archive data is restored to the current directory by default. Okay, let's try to write this kind of comments. XVF, UGV, tar. Yeah, you can see this kind of result. Just you write them ls, c, ls, def, and the last kind of our comments is like ls, etc, def, ls, d. And also you can see our results. To add a file and existing archive, use the dash r option to the tar commands. Execute the following commands to perform this action and verify the extent of the new files in the tar. Let's try use these commands and see the results. And last. And you can see our results. Next is following example. You will use the gzip and the gunzip to compress and uncompress a file. Okay, result. Let's write this kind of result comments. Okay. Okay, you can see our results. Next is execute the following commands to uncompress the words and use that file. Let's try to this kind of examples. Yeah, you can see. Just a second. Let's try one more time. Yeah. And you can see our results. Next up is using bzips to bunzip to compress and uncompress file is very similar to previous commands. Okay, let's try to some examples with this kind of options. Okay, words. Mhm. Okay, you can see the results. Next, also like this kind of comments, let's try with another some example. Mhm. And you can see the also results. Using exec and unexec to compress and uncompress files, also very similar with previous commands, and compressed file create with a exec extensions, and extensions is removed when uncompressed. Okay, let's try to with some examples. Yeah, you can see the results also and execute the following commands to uncompress the words files. So let's try this kind of example. Hmm, okay, so you can see the results. Using the zip commands to compress the words files. In this example, you can see word zip arguments. Okay, let's try to use this kind of example. Now let's mine this word zip, and also you can see our results. Okay, compress these directors and its contents with zip confirmation. Okay, let's try to use this kind of confirmation. Here you can see some add-ins and now let's read. And also you can see the results. Okay, to view the context of a zip archive, use dash options with the unzip commands. Let's try with last commands with unzip. Here you can see our results. You can learn dates, time, names of files. And last one is to extract the zip files. Use the unzip commands without any options. And let's try to some simple commands. Unzip, zip. Yeah, you can see the our results ratings, some unflattings and so on. This is end of our lab number 9.